See. Am I on? Yeah, I think I'm on. All right, well, let's get this started. Let's get this party started. Damn, we got the Dow Jones just hopping off like crazy. Good morning, Paul. What's up, Rob? Good morning, dude. How you guys doing? I downloaded the Titan version 9, so I don't know what's the difference, to be honest with you. I just downloaded it because everybody was asking me to do it, so I want to go ahead and download it. What's up, Jerry? Good morning. Damn, what is there any news right now? Let me see. Jesus, because you got good morning, guys. For those who are just coming in. So what day is it today? Wednesday the 17th. Morning gamer. So 9 a.m., 9:15, 9:35. Is that why we're popping off? Because of this Fed Governor Christopher Waller? What up? Um, Trojan Extra Small Moto? Is this where we're popping off at? Because this, who the fuck is Fed Governor Christopher? Whatever. Don't care. We're just trading charts. God damn. What's if this is popping off? What's MNQ doing? Is it getting giving the reversal? No, it's not. It's not doing shit. Hold up. Let me go to. Oh, I can enable trade designs to levels. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, so we have the Russell coming breaking above the 200. All right, so we got okay. So the same thing as yesterday looks like it's happening. Um, that everything else was popping off and the Nasdaq was trailing down. So automatically, we already have the Nasdaq falling down. No new trade designs, so we're just gonna disregard that. We're not gonna give a fuck about what that says. So the things to look at right now are MES, MYM, or M2K. Preferably, I think I'm gonna look at the Dow Jones or the mini Russell because we're over the 200. Yeah, there's some breathing room above the 200, but the sentiment is still down, and I don't like counter trend trading. I rather go with the waves. So preferably, I just want to stay away from counter trend. Just fuck that shit. Why? Why? I already have the Dow Jones breaking the 200. The Russell's about to break the 200. Why not just wait for that instead of trying to go counter trend and fuck that? We're good. So let's go right here to the Dow Jones. But I mean, it exploded so much. So the only thing that we would take a trade design. Yeah, MES is giving a trade design up, but I don't care about that. I if we're under the 200, we're just gonna go short. We're just gonna make our lives easier, bro. I fuck that. I'm just gonna make my life easier. So we have this right here. Um, so I'm gonna wait for MYM and I'm gonna wait for M2K. So we're gonna have both screens up and watch them both and see which one. Okay, so we have this one's more workable right here. Um, we got on the Russell. This one's a little bit more workable. We got the break of the 200, but obviously just because it broke the 200, I'm not going to go in. This can easily projectile rocket, projectile rocket that shit. And I'm not cool with that. I'm not cool with that. So if it's between the Dow Jones and the Russell, we're gonna stick to M2K because the Russell already did its move. So we're gonna stick right here, and that's where we're gonna be at for today. Not today because I don't discriminate on any ticker on my four Infinity Stone tickers. So we have it locked and ready. We broke the 200 right here, and we're just gonna wait it out, see what happens here. Had to go back and give my boy a like. Appreciate it, bro. Thank you. I know a lot of people are in study hall. Good for them. Good for them. I'm over here doing my own thing. I think I got it. I think I got it. Anyways, we got the break at 200. I don't want to enter on the first candle. I rather wait. If it just so happens to just explode, even though it does have a shit ton of momentum, I'm not even gonna lie with you. It has a shit ton of momentum. I'm not even gonna lie about that. If this shit just takes off all the way over here, I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that because my preference is to have over confluence in trading. So we're gonna go ahead and wait. Um, we got 1 minute to the next candle. If this next candle can hold, then we'll enter the trade. Then we'll enter the trade. And obviously our risk will be below the 200. Probably give it some breathing room. I'm okay with giving it breathing room like around here. So we're just gonna go ahead and wait. Yeah, this is the beauty of having four takers to trade because I'm not sitting my ass around not doing shit. Uh, yeah, I understand it. Like trading one instrument, that's cool. You understand how it moves and this and that, but once you start getting better and getting more hang of the market, you can venture off to different things. And four takers, I think I think I can handle four takers, dude. So we got 10 seconds on this candle. Let's see if she will hold. Obviously, it's going to hold, obviously. I just want to see what's going to happen on this next candle. If we can get like just a little pullback like around the entry, I'll probably enter that. So we're going to go ahead and wait. So the closer we get to the entry, I'm going to execute that trade. So we're going to hold up and wait. Give it some time. Okay, see? So we're going to target up there. I know I do have to give it some breathing room. I do have to give it some breathing room. So I think it's good right there, the breathing room. And we're gonna keep going up. We're gonna keep going up. Bear with me a second here. Um, is that good enough? Let's go to 1.5. Let's go to 1.5. So, okay, I'm in a trade right now. I have more than enough breathing room. And like I said, um, you know, um, I don't, I see the candle coming right back because it's the first break of the 200. Because it went down and we got the first break of the 200. So I can see it coming down and stopping me out. That's why I gave it some breathing room. I gave it some breathing room to allow price action to do its thing. But for right now, we're still very bullish. We got price action above the 200. we have RSI above 50, we have MACD very crossed, and we have our shaft trend on overbought, getting overbought. So right now the trend switched to bull, but that's why you have to give it some breathing room because every time it breaks the 200, um, price action, like how I said yesterday, it loves to hover around the averages. And that's just what price action does. It hovers around the averages until finally it gets enough momentum to break away. So that's fine right there. I can stomach something like this. I can stomach it just fine. Because I've been in this situation many times that it's muscle memory. So, like I said, it's okay if it comes down. The ideal entry would be closer to the 200, but hey, yeah, shoot or shoot, baby. You have to shoot your shot. So just because if you enter this trade here and you're already immediately coming down, you should expect that because that's the first break of the 200. That's expected to be. Wait, the 200 is over here? Okay. I thought this was the 200. I need to change that color of the predictive level. Um, am I a little bit under the 200? Uh, I'll leave my stop there. That's fine. I'll leave my stop there. I'm not gonna move it because I wanted to give it some breathing room below the 200. Let me see. Um, that's enough. That's enough. Ideally, I would give it like a little bit more like around here, but that's enough. That's fine. For the first trade, I'll take that. That's fine. So we're gonna let price action do its thing. Um, the higher trend is definitely down. But we have a big boom boom candle on the 15 minute, so we're breaking above that 200 there. So the trend is trying to change. So we're just gonna go ahead and wait. Price came back down to the 200. Oh, so every time we break the 200, price usually, not always, but a very good percentage of the time. I would say out of 10 times, I would give it a good six. Six, more than a little bit more than half. Price will break, big break, come back to the 200, and you can have a tighter risk at the entry of the 200. But since we're playing trade designs, I try to take an entry as close as possible to the trade design. Um, so just so you guys know, just so you guys know. So we were able to hold the 200 on the first test. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Trend is still bull. Trend is still bull, so we're good. Let's see if price action can come up to this level right here, and watch its reaction because I am just a tad bit away from my limit order. So if it doesn't have enough momentum to break past it, I mean, I already know the first attempt on that level, there's going to be price sensitivity to it. A lot of times that happens. The first time it touches the level, there's going to be price sensitivity, and it's going to come back down. But hopefully it doesn't fucking knife back down because my limit order is just right above the level. So hopefully it has enough momentum to just fucking break right past that shit. So we're still good. Um, always trust your indicators. We have RSI above 50. That's very bullish. We have MACD very separated, very bullish. The moment you see RSI starting to pivot down a little bit, that's when it's going to be losing steam. And when right here, and when this histogram of the MACD starts turning light, you're losing a bit of momentum. But right now, everything is very dark colored, so price is going to keep coming up. All right, so we're going good. So far, so good. At this point, we're gonna move our risk up. And we're gonna move our risk more up. Price action is developing. We're gonna give it some breathing room. I'm good there. Let's keep going up. We're gonna leave our stop right there at the 200. What's up, Lexi? You made it, Lexi. Thanks for coming through, bro. I'm just trying to trade MES, still learning. Um, you can, dude, but like you don't have to only trade MES, dude. If you like MES because it moves slow, you will like the Russell because it moves exactly like MES. The way it moves and maneuvers, it moves very slow. Um, so you would enjoy trading the Russell. I implore you to expand. I know you're new. I know you told me that you're new. Um, but it doesn't hurt, looking at one more option. I think you're smart enough to handle one more taker, right? I have confidence in you that you can do it. You said you've been trading a year. I think you can do one more. So that way you have one more available option to trade. Um, because you will be sitting on your hands a lot if you just trade one taker, but that allows you uh, um, to slowly compound and improve your patience. So it's all up to you, dude. It's all up to you. What's up, 2011? You're done in pre-market? Nice, bro. Good for you. Good for you. So we have price action. Price action still very strong. So not too bad. Just gonna be in this play. Let it develop. We'll let it do its thing. Still very strong. Let's start cutting more risk. Let's go a little bit more up, little by little. We're getting price bullishness over here. We're going. So at this point, we're gonna cut our risk way more, slowly trailing it. Blue color. Yeah, my favorite color is blue, bro. So I decided to be different. So we're getting price bullishness. Okay, so I'm gonna have my finger on the trigger. We're popping off. Bullish, 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 bullish. Are we gonna go to my limit? Are we gonna go to my limit? At this point, let me. Oh, 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 ah, ah, oh my God! Are we gonna hit it? Yeah. Are we gonna hit it? Oh shit, we're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Hey, man. I told you guys, nobody's outworking me, bro. Nobody's outworking me. Nobody's outworking me. Those are hours of back testing, dog. Hours of back testing. Um, the bottom indicator, it's called the shaft trend. It's exactly like the MACD, but it's smoother. So that's why I use it. It's exactly like the MACD, but it's smoother. Appreciate it, Lexi. For those of you coming in, I don't know if you just came in, or if you missed the show. I mean, we got our trade right there. We got our trade right there. What we make? Like 180? Killing it, bro. Killing it. That's right, Jerry. Let's go. Hey, I told you guys I wasn't coming back until I got better. And I got better, bro. And I got better. So, okay, we can move away from that. Let's go to something else. We got YM still popping off like crazy. Nothing to see there. And it's very, 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 very overbought. So I'm pretty sure the Dow Jones took the Russell to it. Good job. Thank you, Diana. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. So right here we're having thank you, Jesse. Thank you. You're looking at it, but you don't want to take counter trend. I mean, I don't have a problem taking a counter trend. You just have to have enough bullishness. So we'll stick to here because you have a possible maybe trade design. Maybe. I'm gonna do what I did yesterday. My first play that I did, my first play that I did it was heavier, like how I did on the Russell. And then I play one micro here. So we got a trade design here, and it's breaking the 48, but I'm not gonna take it yet. I'm not gonna take it yet. So let's switch to MES over here on my Ninja Trader. Um, so let me switch. Let's go to MES here, and we're just gonna play one micro, bro. We're gonna play one micro. I already got more than what I wanted on the day, so we're just gonna trade one micro and we're gonna try to double dip and see if we can get capture a little bit more. And if we don't, that's fine. Um, please let us know where to get the indicator. Oh, you gotta go here, bro. It's Uber STC by Uber Trading. Uber STC. It's called Shaft Trend Cycle. So Shaft Trend Cycle by Uber STC. It works exactly like the MACD, but it's smoother. It's smoother. I like it. I actually like it. I like it a little bit more than the MACD, to be honest with you. I do like the shaft trend more than the MACD. More. Same thing, but so we got break of the 48. Same concept is gonna apply here, like how we did on the Russell gamer. The same concept is gonna apply here. We got our first break of the 48. Obviously, if with enough momentum, it's just gonna shoot up and leave us away. It'll rocket with enough momentum. So the reason I rather wait for a break, we got a big break. We got touch, 3 touches, big break. I usually, not always, it comes back after a big break to retest the 48. That's when I'll get in. And also another thing, it's been a long this is the first time it broke the 48. It hasn't broke the 48 in a very long time. So this is its first break. So I don't see it how do I word this? How would I word this? I would see it coming back to the 48 because it's its first break. So 3 touches, big break, come back down, watch to see what it does. If it holds, then enter. Since we're going counter trend underneath the 200, my preference is to be overly confirmed. Very, very, very confirmed that we're going bull. But trusting your indicators, we are above Titan. That's bullish. We are above all the EMAs plus the 48. That's bullish. RSI above 50. MACD is still strong. This is what 2011. This is what I mean about the shaft trend. It's smoother than the MACD because the MACD, if you look at the histogram and if you're trading MACD, um, when it's losing momentum, the histogram on the MACD will turn light color, which could give you an indication that we're losing momentum. But the shaft trend smooths it out. So I use both for reference. Uh, what's up, Mike? Good morning. No, I don't change any settings. The only settings that I changed is the color. I made it blue. But other than that, I mean, you're good. You don't have to change any settings like that. So right now we got break above, retest. Now you see that wick. This wick right here is very important. The bigger the wick underneath the candle, the bigger the buying pressure. So I'm gonna wait for reaction here. If it holds, if these indicators stay blue and not green, if they stay blue, then I will enter a trade. But I'm only going smaller size, 1 micro, because technically we're counter trend trading. We're very underneath trend. We're very bearish because you can look at the 15-minute for the trend with a bigger trend, and the trend is to the downside. We are under the 200, so the trend is very strong going down. 30 minutes, same thing, going down. So it is a little bit more difficult to counter trend trade, but it's possible. You just have to do it correctly. Gotcha, bro. I appreciate your help. I guess reading it is simple. Blue means go and red means short. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Um, and this is this indicator right here. This is not something that I came up with. The old 1348 before Titan used to teach this, so I didn't come up with that. I'm just eh, the way that I trade is all the collective knowledge that I've gathered throughout talking to different people and my own experiences and the shit ton of hours that I put in. So that's what I explain. Damn, dude, you left and came back a pro. Hey, man. Shit. I had to, bro. I fucking had to, dog. Just like how me and you were talking, bro. Um, something had to change. Something had to change. And I had to make that change. And that change was me going in the lab, bro. Hyperbolic time chamber. I don't know if you guys watch anime, but I love anime, especially well, not especially Dragon Ball Z. When Dragon Ball Z, and that's what I put the great analogy of the hyperbolic time chamber. Like you're there for, like you're in the hyperbolic time chamber for I think for like a few hours or an hour, but it's like a year's worth of work. So that's what I was in. And that week, I put like fucking 3 months of work. Just Yes, I remember we had it and then lost track of it during all these updates. Yeah. Yep, that's right. Um, but I mean, majority of these indicators are free, like the RSI, MACD, shaft trend, they're all free. And and if you know how to use them correctly, they work beautifully. Man, you're tuning in and working? Yeah, bro. Thank you. I had to, bro. I had to. If I wanted to become the trader that I wanted to become, bro, I want to be a fucking assassin, bro. So I have to put in the work. I had to be psychotic about it, dude. I had to be psychotic about it. MES shortcoming? Yeah, possibly. Break above because mind you, we're very bearish. We're very bearish. So you could get a fake out breakdown. So we're gonna wait. So we got price action rejected from the 48, coming below the EMAs, below Titan. So waiting on RSI. The RSI reacts quicker than the MACD and the shaft trend. It reacts quicker. So it's nosediving back underneath 50, but still just gonna have to wait. NQ dying took profits soon. NQ leads ES and MES. Oh, MNQ is. Let me check it out on this screen because I want to watch what price action is doing here. So MNQ, yeah, that shit's dying, bro. Let me look at what's the Russell doing? Is the one that we just traded? Is it still that shit exploded, but it's doing a little pullback. Is MYM is the Dow Jones doing the same thing? Let me see here. Dow Jones is still exploding like fucking crazy. So yeah. Let's go. Let me put my screen back here to MES and watch it right here. So let's see if we're going short. I'm not going short yet. You're way on. You're way on design to the downside. Yep. Same here basically. Same here basically. I'm waiting for the design to the downside. Waiting for RSI to pivot down. So we're just gonna patiently wait here. We do have pre-market low right here. That's pre-market low. So is there anything? Damn it, I wish I would have done some charting like I did. I should have done some charting last night to see. Okay, there is. So 5632. 5632 is a level of support down here. So that's a level of support down there. So we have pre-market low and we have a level of support. The um the charting that I did, when did I do it on Monday night? Yeah, on Monday night. I still have it here on my other screen saved, and we have support here down at 5632 in this region. I would love to show you, but I can't right now. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. You're just gonna have to take my word for it. I want to show you. But I need to expand like on the 1 hour or 30 minute. But I don't want to miss this play. So you're gonna have to take my word for it. Sorry. Um, let's see what she does here. We got a heavy rejection down. Dun, dun, dun. Still waiting. Still waiting. Just waiting to be avoided to get faked out. Because price action can easily get caught by Titan and get bought back up. So we're gonna wait. Dun, 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 dun. So we got nice little bounce right here, but we're not gonna enter yet. We're not gonna enter yet. Not yet. I still have RSI just not knowing what to do. So not yet. What's up, E? Good morning. Damn, E. Bro, you missed a massive trade that I hit on M2K. I hit a big ass fucking trade, dude. You would have been so proud of me, bro. But thanks for joining in. Now we're yeah. Yeah, I caught that play. I caught that play. So now we're trying to double dip to see what MES does. And we're all waiting. We're all waiting. I just don't want to take it yet. We don't have a new trade design yet. And we got pre-market low right there, even though that's not really that important. It is, but it isn't. Um, but just a reference point. So we have, okay. So we got MES dying. I'm not taking it yet though. Not taking it yet. I'm still waiting. So we're hitting that pre-market low. And let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Uh, so let me put, I'm gonna put my risk at, put my risk a little bit above Titan right there. And we're gonna see, let's go a little bit more down. I don't expect it to go all the way down, but you never know. Let's see what happens here. If price action comes and fucking rubber bands me and stops me out, uh I kind of see it coming. Because the reason why I kind of see it coming is because we already sold off so much. We could easily get faked out, but hey, shoot or shoot, man. Shoot or shoot. So let's see what happens here. I have a 1.5 up right here, pretty much 1.5. So um I know we do have a level over here, this area right here, but I mean, I'm gonna get more than I deserved if I get this 1.5. I'll get more than I deserve. Let's see what happens here. Gamer, you have to shoot, bro. Bro, shoot your shot, bro. Don't be scared, bro. Shoot your shot. You don't have, this is just, all of this, this is just reference, bro. You don't need to enter on the entry. This whole trade design is an entry. Just don't fucking trade. Don't try to enter like all the way over here. Um, you don't have to. But you're under the 200, bro. You're under the 200. You got a fake out breakout on the 48. We came up, faked out, braked out, came back up. Now we're dying. You have to shoot, bro. You have to. So at this point here, we're just gonna, like I said, um, I can see this play rubber banding back and stopping me out. I could see it because we sold off so much. I could see that happening. If I get stopped out, I mean, I can see that shit coming. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Gamer, next time, bro, just shoot your shot, bro. Just shoot your shot. You don't have to get close to the entry. So I'm watching this closely right here. Um, Let me see. We have RSI very below its moving average. It's going a little flat. Watching it carefully though. We're still very bearish, so so far so good. Not too bad. Let's see how many points is that? 5262, 52649. I could move my wrist down a little bit more. I could to mitigate my risk. Let's start cutting some risk right now. So cut some risk off. Price action right here, it's stalling, doing wishy-washy shit. So we're gonna hold on. We're gonna see what happens here. We're gonna see what happens here. So I'm gonna keep cutting risk. We're just go more down. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Let's see what happens. So yeah, I don't like that price action is stalling. We broke that pre-market low. I don't like that. I don't like that. Let me cut my risk. I don't like that. Let's cut our risk right there. We're just gonna cut majority of the risk. Because like I said before, I I can easily see this rubber banding back and breaking, and I mean, and stopping me out because we sold off so much. Like, how much fucking more juice am I trying to squeeze off this shit, bro? Let's see what happens here. This is exactly why I'm cutting my risk, because I can see it rubber banding back. But we are testing pre-market low. Let me, we're just gonna leave our stop right there. We're testing pre-market low. I would probably would want to move it up here to Titan AI trailing stop. Let's do that. Let's move it to Titan AI trailing stop. We can leave it right there. That's fine. We broke pre-market low, and now we're retesting again. Let's see if it gets rejected. If it doesn't, oh well, it doesn't matter. But like I said before, you know, I see this shit coming right back up to try to get to the 48 because we sold off so much already, bro. We can't just keep going down forever, right? I squeezed lots of juice from MNQ. He sure did. So this play right here, it's I'm probably gonna get stopped out, to be honest with you. Probably gonna get stopped out right here. I think it's traced back to the 13. Yeah, I think it's gonna come back to the 13. So we're gonna get stopped out right here, and that's totally fine, dude. I mean, fucking what? $22? I don't give a fuck about that. Bro, I did a massive trade the last trade. See, this is what I mean about you have to be careful going short here because look how much we sold off. We sold off so fucking much, bro. And then we have the first break of the 48 over here, got rejected, died down. We got a big, massive candle down, but that's why I played small because, bro, I can easily see this coming right back up. Or it can just fake me out, hover around pre-market low, and come back down. But let's see. Let's see what happens. I notice I hesitate more when the trade design pop up like that. Price already above, below entry. Bro, don't this um well, let me take that back. If you want to enter at entry and that's what you're comfortable with doing, I think you should stick to that. Um, let me take everything back about me saying, "Oh, why I'm saying that I take it back is because you're not as experienced as me. So you haven't put in the man hours to do this yet. So I think best case scenario, yes, try to nail the entry. Uh, the most possible. Try to nail the entry. And if you can't, just don't trade. Keep building up repetition. That's why I say maybe try to look for another ticker. Because if you miss the entry here, go to the next ticker. Maybe you can know the entry on that one, and that way you mitigate how many trades you make and just build up confidence until you're more comfortable of just taking trades. Yeah, the fact that we sold off so much is why I went counter, but I took a small loss. Um, yeah, Lexi, but this is the thing. It's a double-edged sword, Lexi. Yes, we sold off so much, but we're very, 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 very bearish. Look how far the distance is between price action and 200. We're very bearish. So going counter trend is very dangerous. You have to have price action demand that it holds above the 48. It has to demand that, meaning break, hold, next candle hold, then you can possibly try to enter to try to get to the 200. Yeah, bro, you need more reps, bro. To be honest with you, you need a lot of reps, bro. You need a lot of reps, a lot, and that's okay, bro. In time, you'll do it. Time goes fast just like that, dude. I remember when I was in my first year of trading, when I was fucking, when I was flipping fucking 2K to 7K on fucking AMC. Bro, I remember that shit, dude. I remember that shit. And time just flew so fast, and now I'm here. Now I'm here. So we have MES break back above pre-market high to try to it wants to see if it wants to reclaim that 48 back. Let's see what happens here. It might be just it's right now, to be honest, it's probably just gonna be ranging, dude, unless it gets enough momentum to do something. But I think it's just going to be ranging because we sold off so much. The move already happened all the way over here. And now you could get stuck on a range. You could get stuck on a range. So we'll see. If it has enough momentum to break, cool. But is that possible? I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. Um, let's see. So I took a small little loss on MES. Not too bad. Let me look at what's MYM still popping off. Can't do shit with that. What's MNQ doing? MNQ is coming right back up. So, well, not right back up, but it's getting there. The Russell, we already done with that. That shit sold off a lot, actually. It came right back down. The fucking explosion it did, it came right back down. Interesting. Interesting. You could get an EMA bounce. You could get an EMA bounce. Let me see here. Let's see what happens here. You got it right back above. Yeah. Yeah. I don't like it. I don't like it. I was trying to see if we can get like a EMA bounce, but nah, I don't like it. Already got RSI just slowly trailing down. I don't like it. Big pop, probably get a fucking range. I don't like that shit. What's MES doing? Let me go here. Yeah, MES is just not doing shit. Yeah, bro. I think I think the move was the Russell play right here to get that explosion up. I think that was the move, to be honest with you. Unless we get a EMA bounce or unless MES decides to reclaim the 48 again. But that's gonna be a while, bro. That's gonna be a while. Um, and for it to sell off, I don't think it's gonna happen, to be honest with you. I don't think that's gonna happen. So, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Let's switch back to MES and getting some rejection off the EMAs. We're still bearish, bro. We're still bearish. We'll see what happens here. So if we get just like a big rejection, maybe I might take it. Maybe I might take it. Um, if it doesn't, then you're looking at counter trend, but you have to be very confirmed that you're going bull. You have to be very confirmed. So we'll see. All this could be is just a retest to reconfirm strength to keep coming down. We don't know yet. So we'll see. Um, you do have an entry right here, literally at the entry. So, but would I take it? I don't think so. I don't think I'll take it, to be honest. I'd rather wait a little bit more. Let's see if we can get a bigger rejection to like maybe if we can get like break pre-market low again, then I'll enter again for seconds. Well, I guess it won't be seconds. It'll be thirds. At this point, I'm just trading with free money right now. So obviously we're getting rejected again, but we're gonna hold on and see what the next candle does. So I'm watching it closely, finger on the trigger. Try to target a 1.5 again. Well, actually, I think I have let me put a I'll leave an alert right there. So let's go to the 1 hour real fast. I think I have time to show you. I think I have time to show you where I got this right here. So higher lows, 3 candles in a row. Um, maybe. So this is where I got that support level down here. Break, held, came back, held, bum. So this area right here, like from like here to here, that's the whole area of support that you can look for. That's why it's good practice to do your own charting. It's very good practice to do your own charting, like this area right here. Obviously, we have price sensitivity in this range, so if it does keep dying, it could this right here around here could be an area where you just get out. Because obviously look at the fucking massive rejection on here. Look at this big ass wick. Try to come back down, got bought back up like crazy. You got price range in here, exploded. So that's a area of sensitivity. That's where I got that level that I told you guys previously. It's very good practice to do your own charting. So okay, we got rejected off the EMAs again. We got indicators still red. MACD looking a little flat. So we're going to see what happens here. We're close to that area of support. We're close to it. That's why I'm saying, I don't know how far can this go down because we already gotten so far, but let's see what happens here. It's still looking very bearish though. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. It's still looking very bearish. Let's see here. If I do end up taking this short, obviously that's gonna be my last trade of the day. Because I'm not trying to fucking get paper cuts at all. I'm not trying to get so okay. It's testing pre-market low. Can we break it? see what happens here. I don't want to take it yet. I don't want to take it yet. Probably if price action could get like around here, like right around there, I'll probably take that shit. But like I said, you could be trapped in just a range, because of how much we sold off. So at this point, it's a waiting game, to be honest with you. The 1 hour 200 is right there. Oh, that could be a good reason. Okay. Well, there you go. That could be a good reason. Um, that's a higher time frame though. Um, something to look at, but it doesn't. It's something to look at, like a reference point, but it's not gospel on the five. Um, because this price actions that's happening here, it's what's creating the wick on the 1 hour. So I mean, price action can easily come back here and then get caught on 200 and come right back up. And that would create the wick of that big candle on the 1 hour. So it's a good reference points to look at, but it's not really gospel because we're trading the five. But we are seeing sensitivity in this area right here. Jeez. Bro, streaming hurts your fucking neck. Ugh, I'm getting fucking beat up doing this shit. Are we gonna die? Come on, bro, just die. Just die. Okay? 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 Not bad. You're in at entry, stop at break even. If you're in at entry and you're stop at break even, bro, you're gonna get stopped out, bro. You need to give it some breathing room, dude, to be honest with you. You can't do that. You're only giving it like fucking 2 points of breathing room, dude. You gotta at least put your stop like at the 24. Like right there, that's good. That's good right there at the 24 because we got two rejections at the 24. A little bit over, like right there. Like say right here. Right there. Whoops. You can have your stop right there and your entry right there for a small loss. So you got to give it some breathing room, bro. Uh, damn, are we gonna do anything? I don't think so, dude. We're just getting caught in that area right there, bro. You don't like Titan AI being yellow, so yeah, that's true. It's cautioning you to be careful, which is right, which is right. Because yeah, like I'm saying, we're stuck in a range, dude. We're stuck in a range. At this point, I really don't think it's even worth it. Um, it's been how many minutes? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30 minutes of not doing shit. At this point it's like, is it worth it? Is it worth it? We're trying to be in and out. We're trying to be in and out. So let's see what happens. Bro, if it oh my God. Let me not say it, bro. If yeah, let me say if this shit ends up dying and you got stopped out, you're gonna be mad as hell. That's why I said you gotta absorb that loss. You gotta be okay with it. I'm just watching it right now. We have, indicators are still red, still red. RSI has not gone above its moving average. We got MACD still red, very light. It's separated just a bit. We're still a little bit bearish. We'll see. I'm probably gonna give this shit like, let me see, like 7 to 10 more minutes, and I'm cutting it because I already made my money on the day. So But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. If price is going to break down, I'm not going to enter that. I rather much right here away from this area of interest where price action is reacting, which is pre-market low. Obviously, we've been watching it this whole entire time. I wanted to go past that. So we'll see. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. We got price breaking down a bit. Not entering yet. Not entering yet. I'll wait the next candle. Yeah, if we can break that yellow line right there on the next candle, I might take it. Unless this shit just dies right here, then I'm going along with the trend. But it's got to be very patient and shoot your shot with precision accuracy. Oh, no, not yet. That's why, see, that's why I want price action away from this noise, dude. I want price action away from that noise. If not, it's not worth taking it. Yep, it's gonna hold. It's gonna hold. It's definitely gonna hold. Yeah, it's been holding for the past 25 minutes. Not worth it. Yeah, let's highlight this right here. So this right here, we're ranging in this in right here. That's where we're ranging. Unless we can fucking break this box, it's not gonna do shit. We tried to break it here, it came right back up. It's just consolidating in one area. Not worth it. Not worth it. We're gonna cut it right here. We're gonna cut stream right here. I'm not gonna be fucking paper cut to death. Um, I've I've put in enough work to realize what the fuck a range is. And this right here, we're stuck in this right here. Unless we break this box, short or long. Unless we break that box short or long. Nothing to see there. So what did M2K end up doing? Consolidating, trying to break the 200. You got a trade design down. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, okay. Came right back up, rejected. Huh. Damn, this shit's really red. Hmm. Let me see here. Let me see here. Good shit, gamer. Good for you, bro. Good for you, bro. Peace out, dude. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll be back tomorrow. Ooh, we got M2K dying down. Huh. Do I want to take that? Ooh. It's breaking the 200. Let me wait it out. Let's see what this next candle does. Ooh, damn, that shit look good. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That shit looks good. I'm not even gonna lie to you. That shit looks good, dude. Okay, so we're gonna wait to see what this candle does. It's breaking below the 200 again. Let's see if she holds and doesn't rubber band back. But I mean, it's fucking red, bro. It's fucking red. It's fucking red. And everything looks very good. Let's see what this candle does. Damn, that shit dies and I didn't take it, bro. It look that shit look primed and ready to go. But since I'm um a man of stature, I would preferably like to wait. But man, that shit's looking very bearish, bro. That shit's looking very bearish, bro. I'ma wait. I'ma wait. Damn, bro. This looks really good, dude. I'm not gonna lie to you. The inner FOMO in me wants to fucking let me get in this bitch, bro. Because bro, I can easily identify that this shit looks fucking good. But I gotta fight that fucking urge, that inner FOMO, like this action's dying. Go in. Um, I rather wait. I rather wait. Slow and steady wins the race, bro. Slow and steady wins the race. This looks very good. Very good. If this can hold and we got price to come back to around the 200, stay around there, then I'll take it. But if this shit dies, but like I said previously on stream, if we get a big candle break below or above the 200 with enough momentum, it will easily leave you away. But that out of 10 times, that happens 4. More times, it would break and come back to the 200. Exactly like how it did right here. Right here, it broke, come back to the 200. Then it came for the retest. So the same thing could happen again, or it could not happen. It can just die, come right back down. But I would rather wait to be overly confident in the play. Let me get a break, come back here, still stays there, going in one more time. MES is dying. Damn, did it break that box? Ooh. Mm, yeah, yeah, nah, nah, I don't like it. Fuck that shit. I'll stay here. I'll stay here. The MES play doesn't look good. I'll stay right here. We've already sold off so much. I'll disregard that. So we got big candle break here. If it can come back around the 200, I'll go back in. If it ever comes. It was dying. Yeah, yeah, bro. We're stuck in that range, dude. If we're not um well, there's nothing to trade here. So let me go back to MES. So, bro, we're 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 not gonna do nothing here, bro. We're not. It's you have to let it go. MES is not doing shit. It's not doing shit unless we break this area. It's not doing shit. Just fucking live your life. It's not gonna do anything. It's not gonna do anything. Set an alert up here maybe. But to the downside, I rather not take the shit to the downside. I would rather much go bull on this thing than go bear. Let's look at M2K. Okay, we're coming back up. All right, nice and steady. There's a level right here holding it. So if we can get like right there on to nail that entry, I'll love to take that. I would love to take that. So we're gonna wait and we're gonna be stingy. We're gonna be stingy with our entry. We're gonna be stingy with our entry and try to get an entry as close to the entry as possible. If we can't, oh fucking well. I can't. I'm not gonna fucking cry about it. I already fucking made money off this big ass boom. Everything that I'm doing is all free. It's all free. So I can trade patiently. I can trade patiently. So we got price reacting to this level. Let's see. Uh, what's the bigger trend on this? That's the bigger trend. What's the 30-minute doing? Uh, Okay. Tried to break the 200, but it rubber band back down underneath it. Let's go up to here. Okay, uptrend, but it's coming on down. Okay. 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 Well, I can tell you that it's holding. It's clearly holding below the 200. I'm just being cheap and I want a good entry and I want tighter risk on the EMA. But if we can't get there, then we can't get there. So I'm just gonna hold on a bit, see what happens. Yeah, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I like um multiple time frame confluences and see where we're at the chart. Um, it's just good, it's good to see the reference points of the whole entire trend. Overall, the trend is still bearish. All right, Lexi, peace out, dude. Hope you learned something today. So clearly we're holding the 200, but I'm not gonna enter yet. We're coming up. MACD pink. We got a 1348 cross, but we're coming up. Hold on 1 minute. Right here. Take off laser eye. Take off laser eye. Okay. So we're under the 200. Bro, I need to change these predictive levels, bro. Let me see your predictive levels. Let's change them to green, right? No, let's change them to purple. I got a vomit of fucking colors up in this bitch. So we're breaking that. Okay, we just broke above 200 there. We're bullish there. We're just dissecting. Aha! Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Look at that. That's hours of work right there, bro. That's hours of work. What the fuck did I tell you? What the fuck did I tell you? Break the 200. It's no stranger to me if price action would come back to the 200. If you would have came in here, clear stop here, stopped out. I much rather be confirmed, very assured that we are going to hold the 200 I need to be very, 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 very sure because my hard-earned money is on the line. I have to have A plus setups no matter what. No matter what. So now we already got 2 days in a row where I'm explaining this shit right here, and it's happening in real time about how price action loves to hover around the averages. We got a break below the 200. 200 is the biggest magnet. Price action is to come back to it, retest it, see if it wants to hold, but it doesn't happen all the time, but it happens very often. It happens very often enough for me to take notice of that. So here, if this candle can bounce off of it, I would probably take an entry. Um, Probably if the 1 minute comes back bearish right now, it's being bullish. You got stopped out. If it can flip back to bear, to red, there's a possible, it's not certain, a possible entry. We're testing that 200 in the 1 minute. Let's see if it holds. We're about to have we had a 1348 cross, but it broke. It didn't break. It faked. It faked 1348 cross. So we'll see what happens here. Look at Titan AI though. Turn red. Titan AI moves slower than the EMAs. Titan AI, if you see it curving down, it's doing that curve. Doing that curve. What Titan AI does smooths out the price action. Once you see it flattening out, it's about to make that curve to trend down. Look at that massive rejection off the 200, 1348 cross. Massive rejection off the 200, coming down. Big candle wick right here. And now, this could be the time where, let's hold it. We got a massive rejection. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Let's see if it can hold below the level. I don't want to get faked out here. I refuse to get faked out. But at some point, I'll shoot my shot. Fuck it. I actually didn't want to shoot my shot. I just had my finger on the trigger. I had my finger on the trigger. So let's put our wrist at the 200 and just shoot our shot. We're gonna right there. We got a rejection off the 200, and we're gonna target that level and see what happens here. Uh, and that's gonna be our trade design right there. So this is my last trade of the day. If it doesn't go, and oh well. At the I got the multiple confluences that I needed. Um, doesn't necessarily mean that it's gonna happen, but I mean, it could easily fake me out. That's cool. That's fine. But we have Titan AI coming down. It's red. 1348 cross. Red, red, red. It is pink right here. Yeah, I was gonna end the stream early, but I saw this play. I saw this play here, so I will end the stream for this one. I swear. I swear. But uh, I don't want to hyper focus on levels too much. Because I just use them as reference points. I'm just trading what I see with my eyes. We got 1348 cross down, red, 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 red. I have to shoot my shot, right? I have to shoot my shot. So that's gonna be our trade design here. We got price action coming to the 200. Big wick rejection. So we're just going to leave our risk right there at the 200. If it comes back to it, well, it didn't want to hold, right? It is holding on this level, though. I will say that it is holding on this level, but I mean, you have to shoot your shot. Because if you're just gonna be there like, when do I shoot? You have to take it. That's why play small, dude. Oh my god, no! This is no, bro. I was supposed to play one micro. I fucked up. I was supposed this right here. I was supposed to play one micro. Okay. All right. Well, I fucked up because I was so dedicated in explaining to you guys what the fuck is going on, and I forgot to change this to one micro. Oh well, it is what it is. Regardless, regardless, I'm still up on the day, and I'm gonna kill it. Yeah, bro, this right here, this was supposed to be one micro, not three. Not three. It was not supposed to be three micro. It was supposed to be one micro. One micro. I fucked up there. I fucked up there. Okay. Now I don't like this play. Now I don't like this play. We're just gonna thug it out and see and whatever, bro. I'm already in this shit. We're just gonna fucking thug it out. Let's see what happens here. I really don't like this play, to be honest with you. I really don't. Let me start cutting risks because I really do not like this play at all. I really, really don't. The reason I really don't like the play is because I'm supposed to be playing one micro, not three, not three, not three. So I'm just gonna trail it. I'm just gonna trail it right here. Um, let's see. How much did I lose on the on how much did I lose on MES? I lost 20 bucks. Let me do this right here. Let's put my stop right there. And let's just fucking drill this shit. Um, just gonna leave it right there. Let me bring my stop more down. I'm just gonna fucking choke it, dude. Right there. That's fucking fine. I'll take a small little loss, but I was not supposed to fucking play through micros, dude. If I get stopped out, that's cool. But at least I got my wrist down, dude. Fuck, bro. I fucked up bad. God damn. Well, I didn't fuck up bad because I ended up cutting my wrist like all the way down, so I'm okay with that. Let me cut my wrist more. I'm just gonna fucking keep choking that shit, bro. Um and oh, I keep fucking up. Regard whatever. I got the losses back for my fucking MES, bro. Jesus Christ. I pressed the wrong button here. Anyways, let me turn this off. Let me turn this off, dude. I got the money back, half the money back that I lost on MES, so I'm turning this shit off right here. Let's see. Okay, I turned off my Ninja Trader. All right, so that was a good stream, right? Good trading day. I did some mistakes. I forgot to fucking play one micro, and I played three. It came back down, and then if it fucking dies down, I mean, I don't fucking care. What did I get? Like 15 bucks out of this shit. I lost 23 on MES on the last play, so I got half of it back. So I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna cut stream. Um, successful trading day. Successful trading day. But yeah, that was it, guys. Hope you guys learned something again. I put many, 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 many hours of studying to explain you guys that. I definitely moved my stop to be sometime during the play in MES, calling it for real. Yeah, yeah. All right, guys. I am out of here. Have a wonderful day. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna stream again tomorrow. So see you guys later. Peace.